Shanchurinda Environmental Protection Company production workshop of 5,000 square meters, simple display area showcasing pyrolysis and distillation equipment. There are currently over 100 employees, including 3 senior engineers, 8 technical designers, and more than 40 professional technicians. Since high-quality products to the world every day, the chairman has extensive industry experience with a professional sales team of more than 20 people. The company has overtaken more than 20 patents with a strong technical strength and continues to provide reliable service to customers. Welcome to Consell.